from MTsN. In this occasion, I will show you how to make 3M Marquisa Marmalade Matsanaba. Special product from MTsN 6 BANTUL. The materials are 4 marquisa, 300 gram of sugar, 200 ml water, 5 cloves, and 2 finger length of cinnamon. The tools are spatula, knife, spoon, fork, wooden bowl, 2 small bowls, pan, blender, and plastic gloves.
It's easy to make it. Do you want to know? Okay, let me tell you. 1. Cut marquisa into 2 pieces. 2. Separate the content of marquisa from the rind. 3. Slice the rind into small pieces. 4. Put small pieces rind into the blender. 5. Put 200 ml of water into the blender, then blend it. 6. After that, put the content of marquisa into the blender and blend it. Then put the mixture into the bowl. 7. Put the mixture into the bowl. Mix it well. 8. Turn on the stove and pour the water. Boil water until boiling. 9. Put the sugar, cook it in small fire. Mix it well. Then put 1 finger length of cinnamon. 10. Put the mixture into the pan. Then mix it well until getting good texture. 11. If the texture become dark brown, turn off the stove. 12. Wait it until cool. Pour it into the bowl. Then Marquisa Marmalade Matsanaba is ready to serve.
Okay guys, is enough. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.